when you fill this form, let's say you say title and here you say body, then click submit, validation will fail. And what happens behind the scenes is that whenever validation fails, Laravel will take the inputs that you had provided and it will store them to the session. Then when you go to your form, when you want to access those inputs, you just use the old method. So you come here in the input and you say we want the value to be, instead of hard coding something, we grab it from the session and we use the old method. So I'll come here and say old, then I want the title. Then I'll copy this, go to the text area, and in the text area it works differently. You can't use the value attribute. If you want to place a value in the text area, you put it here. So I'll paste this here and I'll change this and say I want the old body from the session. For the file, the old method will not work because of some security reasons, so you cannot grab the old file using the old method. So I'll save this, then I'll refresh and try it out. So I'll say title, then here I'll say body and try to submit, and there we go. We now have our old body and old title. The last thing to note is that Laravel will store these inputs in the session for the next request only, and when you refresh, it means now we are in the next request. So if you refresh again, we will be in another request, and so you will not have these inputs. So if you try and refresh, you lose all your inputs. So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, let's see now how we can request these inputs and store them in the database to create a post. Thank you for watching, and if this video has been of any help to you, kindly consider supporting my work by subscribing, leaving a like and a comment. Cheers.